So, good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you are new and you've not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So, let's take a look at GBP JPY for the next, which is for the 6th of December. So, I told you guys that we will be expecting more sell on GBP USD. It is exactly what GBP USD is still doing. Currently, we are trading at 185. I think it was around the level of, if I'm not wrong, a level of 187, right? I told you guys that more sell will be coming on GBP, JPY, and it is exactly doing that. You can see it is still selling. But before that, we'll be looking to put out the mentorship. So if you are interested to learn how to trade GBP, JPY professionally or any JPY PS, then you can join our online mentorship, which will be starting December. So when you go to the comment section, you will see the link to the mentorship. You will go there, you will subscribe because there you will be taught on how to analyze charts professionally. You'll be taught the key levels on some price actions you should watch out for, the strategies to trade GBP USD properly. Has been the best strategy that works best on. No strategy is perfect, by the way, but at least there are some good strategies that work on GBP JPY and JPY PS. We will look at the fundamental aspect of this. All the fundamental aspects, the news that move JPY and also the news that move GBP, everything will be covered. You'll be taught on that. The technical aspect, also the sentimental aspect will be covered on that. We would also be looking at some indicators that can be used on GBP JPY. Also chart patterns that you would need to confirm for confirmation. Candlestick patterns too is also interest is there considered. Risk management and trade management, and everything will be covered in 2 months. We are not looking to extend it to 3 months or 4 months or 5 months or 6 months or a year. We are looking to cover it in 2 months. So basically, you will grab a lot of knowledge within this period of time. So if you're interested, you will find the link to the mentorship site in the comment section for December. So with what I was saying now, we'll be predicting this sell on GBP which it has done that, meaning there will be more sell on GBP. But with what I'm doing, it looks like market is becoming weaker and weaker around there. Something like this. Um, Lower lows, a lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows here. Here comes the lower highs. Then there was an equal high lows at this level. So we need to be careful. We need to watch out and see markets break these lows, right? You can see that when markets push up a bit, we add another drop again. You can see that market has still not failed. It has not broken these lows. Our target is that markets will break these lows. That is our target. But when will it happen? That is it. We need to keep an eye on this. We need to keep an eye because it could be that maybe once the market opens, markets will smash it and continue to drop, or market is very much likely to come to this resistance level because within this level it looks like a ranging market move. There's a big possibility that markets can come to tap this resistance level before it pushes up, or we might see markets just smash it down. So there are two ways: smash it down, continue to go bearish, or a movement to this resistance level, then a drop. So watch out for GBP JPY. You can join the mentorship program. You will find the link in the comment section.